Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's crucial for staying healthy and feeling your best, boosting your immune system. We all want to stay strong and resilient, and one of the best ways to do that is by incorporating this into our diet. In this video, we'll explore 15 things that can instantly boost your immune system. From vibrant fruits to powerful herbs, these foods are packed with nutrients that help protect and strengthen your body's defenses. Let's get started and find out how to supercharge your immune health. 1. Citrus fruits. First up, we have citrus fruits. Think oranges, lemons, grapefruits, and limes. These fruits are packed with vitamin C, a nutrient renowned for its immune-boosting properties. Vitamin C helps stimulate the production of white blood cells, which are crucial for fighting off infections. Start your day with a glass of freshly squeezed orange juice or add lemon to your water for an easy vitamin C boost. These fruits not only enhance your immune system, but also provide a refreshing and delicious start to your day. 2. Garlic. Next on our list is garlic. Garlic is more than just a flavorful addition to your meals. It's a potent superfood with incredible immune-boosting benefits. It contains allicin, a compound known for its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. Allicin helps strengthen your immune system by enhancing the production of white blood cells and improving your body's ability to fight off germs. Incorporate garlic into your dishes, or consider taking it in supplement form if you're not a fan of the taste. 3. Ginger. Ginger is another fantastic food that can support your immune system. It contains compounds like gingerol, which have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Ginger helps to boost your immune response and reduce inflammation, making it a great choice during cold and flu season. Ginger can also aid in digestion, which is another reason to include it in your diet. You can enjoy ginger in a variety of ways. Add it to your tea, smoothies, or even soups to reap its health benefits. Fresh ginger is the most potent, but powdered ginger also offers health benefits. Experiment with both to find your preferred method of consumption. 4. Spinach. Spinach is not just for pupae, it's powerful for your immune system. This leafy green is rich in vitamins A, C, and E, as well as antioxidants that help combat oxidative stress and support overall immune function. Spinach also contains beta-carotene, which helps enhance the immune system's ability to fight off infections. The folate in spinach helps with cell division and repair, which is crucial for a strong immune response. Add spinach to your salads, smoothies, or even as a side dish to get a nutrient boost and support your immune system. Cooking spinach can make some of its nutrients more bioavailable, but be mindful not to overcook it to preserve its vitamin content. 5. Almonds. Almonds are a tasty and nutritious way to boost your immune system. They're packed with vitamin E, an antioxidant that helps maintain a healthy immune system by protecting cells from damage. Vitamin E is essential for immune function, and almonds provide a convenient source of this important nutrient. They also contain healthy fats and magnesium, which support overall health. A handful of almonds as a snack or added to your meals can help strengthen your body's defenses and keep your immune system in top shape. Opt for raw or lightly roasted almonds to maximize their health benefits, and try to include them in a balanced diet. 6. Yogurt. Yogurt is more than just a probiotic powerhouse, it's also great for your immune system. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that help maintain a healthy gut, and a healthy gut is crucial for a strong immune system. Yogurt provides these probiotics, which can enhance your body's ability to fight off infections and inflammation. Choose plain, unsweetened yogurt to avoid excess sugar, and add fresh fruits or a drizzle of honey for natural sweetness. 7. Blueberries. Blueberries are small but mighty when it comes to boosting your immune system. They're loaded with antioxidants, particularly vitamin C and flavonoids, which help fight off free radicals and reduce inflammation. Blueberries also have antioxidant properties, making them a great choice for strengthening your immune defenses. They are versatile and can be added to smoothies, yogurt, or salads for a tasty and nutrient-rich addition. Fresh or frozen, blueberries retain their nutritional value, so you can enjoy them year-round. Including them in your diet can provide a sweet boost to your immune health. 8. Turmeric. Turmeric is a vibrant yellow spice known for its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It contains curcumin, a compound that helps reduce inflammation and support immune function. Turmeric can be added to curries, soups, or even smoothies. For maximum absorption of curcumin, pair it with black pepper, which enhances its effectiveness. A daily dose of turmeric can help keep your immune system strong and resilient. 9. Green tea. Green tea is a soothing beverage that also packs a punch when it comes to immune support. It's rich in antioxidants called catechins, which have been shown to enhance immune function and protect against infections. Green tea also contains L-theanine, an amino acid that can boost the production of germ-fighting compounds. Enjoy a cup of green tea daily for a gentle yet effective immune boost. For added benefits, try matcha green tea, which has higher concentrations of antioxidants. Whether you prefer it hot or iced, green tea is a refreshing way to support your immune system. 10. Kiwi. Kiwi is a delicious fruit that's also a nutritional powerhouse for your immune system. It's packed with vitamin C, vitamin K, and antioxidants. One kiwi can provide more vitamin C than an orange, making it an excellent choice for supporting your immune health. Its high vitamin K content also plays a role in regulating immune responses. Eat kiwi on its own or add it to fruit salads and smoothies for a tasty immune boost. Kiwi also contains dietary fiber, which supports digestive health, adding another layer of benefits to this superfruit. 11. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are not only a versatile side dish, but also fantastic for your immune system. They are rich in beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. Vitamin A is crucial for maintaining a healthy immune system and supporting mucosal surfaces like the lining of your gut. Sweet potatoes also provide vitamin C and potassium, which support overall health. Enjoy sweet potatoes baked, roasted, or mashed to get a hearty dose of immune-supporting nutrients. They are also a great source of complex carbohydrates, providing sustained energy throughout the day. 12. Chia seeds. Chia seeds may be tiny, but they're packed with nutrients that benefit your immune system. These seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have anti-inflammatory properties that can help support immune health. Chia seeds are also high in fiber, which promotes a healthy digestive system. You can sprinkle chia seeds on your yogurt, add them to smoothies, or use them in baking. To get the most out of chia seeds, consider soaking them in water or milk to enhance their nutrient absorption and make them easier to digest. 13. Pomegranate. Pomegranate is another powerful antioxidant that supports immune health. It's packed with antioxidants, particularly punicologen and anthocyanins, which help fight oxidative stress and inflammation. Pomegranate also contains vitamin C, which boosts the production of white blood cells. Drinking pomegranate juice or eating the seeds can be a tasty way to enhance your immune system. Incorporate pomegranate into salads and desserts, or enjoy it on its own for a delicious and health-boosting treat. 14. Broccoli. Broccoli is a cruciferous vegetable that provides a host of immune-boosting benefits. It's rich in vitamin C and K, as well as antioxidants like sulforaphane, which help support the immune system. Broccoli also contains fiber, which promotes healthy digestion and overall well-being. To maximize the health benefits of broccoli, consider steaming or lightly cooking it, which helps retain its nutrients. Adding broccoli to soups, stir-fries, or salads is an easy way to boost your immune health with this versatile vegetable. 15. Mushrooms. Last but not least, we have mushrooms. Certain types of mushrooms, like shiitake, maitake, and reishi, are known for their immune-boosting properties. They contain beta-glucans, compounds that enhance immune function by stimulating the activity of immune cells. Mushrooms are also a good source of vitamin D, which plays a key role in immune health. Add mushrooms to your soups, stir-fries, or salads to benefit from their nutritional properties. For those looking to supplement, mushroom extracts are also available and can provide a concentrated dose of these immune-supporting compounds. And there you have it, minus 15 superfoods that can give your immune system an instant boost. Incorporating these foods into your daily diet can help strengthen your body's defenses and keep you feeling your best. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more health tips, and share it with friends who could benefit from these immune-boosting foods. Thanks for watching, and stay healthy.